Children, see one nice interesting sum. We'll have to visualize it in a three-dimensional form. It's a sheet of paper. The length of this paper is A, breadth is B. So they have given length of the paper is A, breadth is B. Now this paper, I can fold it in this particular form to get a cylinder. Is it right? So this is how I can get a cylinder which will have its circumference C is equal to A and height which is going to be B. Okay? So it will have its own volume. Suppose we'll consider this volume is V1. Okay? Now same paper I can fold in this particular form. Right? I can fold the paper in this particular form. Here now, the circumference part, which is there, it is going to be B. Is it right? The circumference will become B if I try to fold it like this. Right? And the height of this particular cylinder will become A. Okay? Now, they have given, with this particular new cylinder here, volume will be V2. Both the cylinders will not have same volume because their circumference are different, heights are different. The ratio of the volume is given to you 2/3. The ratios of the volume is 2/3. And if they have given, if A plus B is equal to 15, you have to find individually the value of A as well as B. This is your sum. So let's see now, case 1, if I am trying to solve. My circumference is A. The formula for circumference of this particular cylinder, base of the cylinder, will be 2 pi r is equal to A. So I need to find r. So r is equal to A upon 2 pi. Okay? And now my height in this case is B. So can I find volume V1 of the cylinder? Volume V1 of the cylinder will be pi r square h. And that is going to be pi into my r is just a great number here. Just see what is it? A upon 2 pi, the whole square into h. In place of h, I should write B. Now, this will give me pi into A square upon 4 pi square into B. Okay? So, can we cancel anything? Nothing will get cancelled, I suppose. Yes, pi will get cancelled. So, V1 will be equal to, this pi will get cancelled with pi square. So, I'm going to get A square B upon 4 pi. This is volume of first cylinder. Now, same way, I'll try to find case 2. In this case, the circumference of the cylinder C is equal to B. But the formula for the circumference will be 2 pi r is equal to B. Therefore, r will be equal to B upon 2 pi. So this is my radius of the second cylinder. Now I have to find out, so this is radius, but what is the height of this particular cylinder? Height of this particular cylinder is A. So it is A. Now can we find volume of this particular cylinder? So B2 will be equal to pi r square h. That is pi into, in place of r, I should substitute the value of r, that is B upon 2 pi. That is B upon 2 pi, the whole square, into, in place of h, I should write A. So this is going to give me pi into B square upon 4 pi square into A. Again here, pi and pi square will get cancelled here. So my volume V2 is going to be equal to AB square upon 4 pi. So volume of the second cylinder V2 will be equal to AB square upon 4 pi. So I have got both the volumes. But now children, they have told the ratio of the volumes is 2 upon 3. So this is my part 1, this is part 2. Now I am doing solving here part 3. So V1 upon V2 is equal to 2 upon 3. This is given to you. Now if I substitute the value here in place of V1, A square B upon 4 pi upon V2 is AB square upon 4 pi. That is equal to 2 upon 3. Then 4 pi gets cancelled. A will go with this A square and B will go with this B square. So what is left out is, therefore I get from the top A upon B is equal to 2 upon 3. If I cross multiply this, I'll get 3A is equal to 2B. That is nothing but 3A minus 2B is equal to 0. This I will take it as equation number 2. Now just children see, they have given us A plus B is equal to 15, which is nothing but equation number 1. Now we have to solve these equations, equation number 2 and equation number 1, and then we can come to the value of A and B. A plus B is equal to 15. This is equation 1 which was given, and the next one was 3A minus 2B is equal to 0. This was my equation 2. Okay. Now if you see, I will have to multiply equation 1 by 2. If I multiply equation 1 by 2, I get 2A plus 2B is equal to 30. And here it is 3A minus 2B is equal to 0. Now, can I add up these two things? So this will get cancelled. I'll get 5A is equal to 30. Therefore, A is equal to 30 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 6 are, so A's value is 6. Now let us substitute value of A in equation 1. So my equation 1, A plus B is equal to 15. So in place of A, I should write 6. 6 plus B is equal to 15. Therefore, B is equal to 15 minus 6. So B is equal to 9. So value of A is 6 and value of B is 9. That means this paper's dimension A is equal to how much? 6, and B part is 9. Thank you.